Paste ng aking vegetable pie, or dito tinatawag namin na quiche o vegetable. Mayroon ako ditong butter na 200 grams. Mayroon ako ditong water. Lalagyan ko siya ng 1/4 teaspoon na salt. 1/4 lang. Tapos ihalo natin dyan. Tunawin lang natin. Mayroon din tayong isang itlog. Yung itlog, hugasan mo muna. Tapos lagay natin dyan. Ito yung ating tubig na nilagyan natin ng asin. Kailangan mo siyang kamayin. Hindi ako gumagamit ng machine dito. Maghugas ka lang ng kamay mo at kamay-kamayin mo siya. Kita nyo, hindi ganyan na siya. Normal lang yung itlog tsaka tubig. Mamaya mahahalo din natin yan. Kaya dapat malambot yung ating butter. Ngayon, lagay na natin. Pag ganyan na yung texture, nakita nyo, smooth na yung butter natin. Ilagay natin, huwag mo munang biglain. Isa natin ang ganyan, mag-iwan tayo ng konti. Yung paghalo natin, kagaya pa rin yung paghalo natin. Kailangan, huwag mo rin siyang imasa na kagaya ng tinapay. Smooth lang siya. Kasi pag sinubrahan mo siya, magiging matigas yan. Yung pie mo magiging matigas. Ito siya, sticky pa lang, ilalagay ko pa yung, ubos ko na yung aking harina. Ganyan na siya, okay na yan siya. Ganun lang siya kadaling ihalo. Ganyan na, okay na yan siya. Tingnan mo. I-rest na lang natin siya ng 10 minutes bago natin ulit ihulma dun sa ating hulmahan. Tatakpan natin ng plastic para hindi siya mag-dry. Tabi muna natin ng 10 minutes. Gagawin ng aking pan. Papahiran ko lang ng konting butter yung kanyang dito sa baba. Ayan, nilagyan ko na ng butter. Ito yung ating paste.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going aimless, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me.
Ganyan lang yung cut ng gulay natin para sa boil ko lang siya dyan sa boiling water na nilagyan ko siya ng 1 teaspoon na asin. I-boil lang natin siya. Una kong i-boil yung aking potato. 5 minutes, tingnan natin kung okay na. After 5 minutes, ayan na siya. Tinanggal ko na, okay na siya. Isusunod ko ng aking carrots ng 5 minutes. Ayan na, after 5 minutes, tinanggal ko na din uli yung aking carrots. Last ko na ilalagay yung aking zucchini at saka yung green peas. Pagsasabay ko na yung aking zucchini at saka green peas, 5 minutes uli. Yan na lahat yung aking gulay na binoil ng 5 minutes bawat isa. Aside ko muna. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito na yung pie na hinanda ko before, pie crust na salted. Kailangan natin ng cheese na Gruyere na i-grate mo yung Gruyere mo ng ganyan. Mayroon akong 5 eggs. Yung gulay na binoil natin. Sa seasoning, mayroon akong white pepper, nutmeg or noir de muscade, black pepper, at saka syempre mayroon tayong cream para sa pagluluto, tsaka asin. Yan lahat yung ating mga kakailanganin. Ating eggs, lagyan natin ng half teaspoon na salt, 1/4 teaspoon na white pepper, 1 teaspoon na noir de muscade or nutmeg, black pepper, konti lang, tsaka i-mix muna natin. I-mix lang natin sa pagkakalo. Pwede mo namang tikman yung asin kung kailangan mo, pwede mo siyang dagdagan. Ayan, okay na siya. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating cream. Ilalagay ko siya lahat kasi malaki yung pie ko. At saka kung may extra, mayroon akong 2 maliliit. Yan lang. Tapos ihalo ulit natin. Ito na yung ating eggs na may cream. Ngayon, yung pie natin na half cook yan siya, lagyan natin sa ilalim ng cheese. Spread mo yung cheese sa baba. Ito na lahat ang aking gulay. Nilagay ko na. Tapos, ilalagay natin yung ating egg na binit na mayroong cream. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. Iluguto na natin siya. Ilagay na natin yung ating egg na binit kanina. Ayan na siya. Ibubuhos lang natin. Tapos lalagyan natin ng cheese. Ito lang natin siya sa preheated na oven na 150 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Ganyan.